Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Apps Portals Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 149, Default Content Access Levels. Power Apps Portals has a number of different schemes for controlling access to data that exists in Dataverse. Web roles act as the primary container for these permissions. And within a web role, you can define things like web page access control rules, table permissions, and website access permissions. For knowledge articles, permissions are granted via content access levels. First, in order for the portal to hide a knowledge article that you don't have the proper content access level for, you must set the knowledge management / content access level / enabled site setting to true. After that, content access levels are pretty simple. You associate a content access level with an article, and if the user doesn't have at least one web role with that content access level associated to it, that article won't be available for them on the portal. You can create your own content access levels to group articles in pretty much any way that you want. However, what if you want most knowledge articles to be available to everyone? You might not want the hassle of always associating a content access level with all of your knowledge articles. This is where the default content access level comes in. There's an out-of-the-box content access level called default. The intended functionality of the portal is that all articles created will get the default content access level, and then you can modify the behavior however you need. However, in practice, this requires you to make a slight change in your Dataverse settings. There is a classic workflow, aptly named Associate Default Content Access Levels, that does this job. However, out of the box, the scope of the workflow is set to user, meaning that it will only run when whoever installed the portal creates a knowledge article. If you want that behavior for everyone, simply change the scope of the workflow to organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Apps Portals tip number 149 on default content access levels useful.